What's going on, everybody? Paul Tech here, and in today's video I want to share with you some exciting news regarding a new Motorola device that is officially coming to Metro PCS. Now before I share with you the news, I do got to give a big shout out to this YouTuber right here, Psychotic T-Bone, for providing the information for us. So if you guys get a chance, definitely check out his channel, subscribe to him. As you can see, he has already uploaded an LG Q7 Plus, an Alcatel 7 unboxing and info video. So once again, thank you, Psychotic T-Bone. Link to his channel is in the description below of this video. So let me go ahead and get on over to the news that I want to share with you. As you can see here, Motorola E5 Plus officially launches Monday, August 20th. It's going to come in with the everyday low price, $149 after a $60 instant rebate from $209. Now, I don't know if you guys can read to the bottom there, but I'll go ahead and read it for you. It says you shouldn't have to sacrifice comfort to get a big display and battery that lasts. Say hello to the Moto E5 Plus in mineral blue. Mineral blue, guys, that is that beautiful color that T-Mobile actually has right now. It's a really nice color. So this is going to be, it says exclusively at Metro PCS, but in fact it is at T-Mobile as well. Designed to fit your hand and your life, E5 Plus packs a 6-inch edge-to-edge screen, large battery that lasts more than 1.5 days, 8-megapixel front-facing camera with a selfie light, and a fingerprint unlock for enhanced security and added convenience. Now I want to go ahead and share with you some photos here, and also want to share with you the price at T-Mobile. So T-Mobile's Moto E5 Plus comes in at $225, and then you can get it in 24-month installments at $9 a month. But $225 is the full price. So if you're interested in the E5 Plus, I mean, Metro PCS seems to have the better price on this, with the low price of $149 after a $60 instant rebate. Even if you pay full price of $209, it's still a lot cheaper than the $225. Now let's go ahead and take a look at that mineral blue color now, and as you can see, that color looks beautiful. I really like the way that looks. Now I've seen a couple of YouTube videos of people who actually have the Moto E5 Plus, and that color, they'll even tell you in their video, it looks amazing, it looks beautiful. So I'm really glad that Metro PCS is getting this mineral blue color. Now some of the specifications here, you're getting a 12-megapixel rear-facing camera, autofocus and flash, fingerprint sensor to the back of the E5 Plus as well. You're getting a large 5,000 milliamp hour battery, it's non-removable, and you are going to have turbo charging on this as well. Qualcomm Snapdragon 435 processor, 1.4 gigahertz processor, Adreno 505. It's actually going to have 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of storage, micro SD card expansion. This is looking like a really good device to pick up, in my opinion, especially for the price. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front there, and as you can see, you're going to get a 6-inch display there. So it's actually a 6-inch max vision display, and that's a nice large display for this device right here. You're getting that 8-megapixel front-facing camera. You got a front-facing flash as well. Motorola branding to the bottom there. And I know this is going to be 720p resolution. Don't let that steer you away from this device, because the reviews I've seen on this so far, they say that 720p resolution looks beautiful on the E5 Plus. It's very comparable to a 1080p resolution display. So that's the device that is coming to Metro PCS on August the 20th. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. Are you excited for this? Is this the device you're going to be picking up? For me, I think I'm definitely going to pick this up. I really like this color. I like the large display, large battery, 3 gigs of RAM, expandable storage on this, and you're going to get pretty much a near stock, if not stock, Android experience on the Moto E5 Plus. So, you know, performance should be pretty good. Of course, you will get some Metro PCS bloatware, but that's to be expected. And this is going to be unlocked after, I think it is 180 days now, which is pretty fantastic as well. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Definitely stay tuned, because I will be picking this up, providing an unboxing and review as well. All right, everybody, I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye.